Here are some motivational words of psychology for finding money. Money is not a goal, but a tool to realize dreams and help others. Remember that the effort to find money can be a path to happiness and have a positive impact on others. Every sweat that comes out today is an investment for a better future. Don't be afraid of getting tired. The results of hard work will provide invaluable satisfaction. Provision is certain. Our job is only to try as best we can. Believe me, every effort made sincerely and consistently will open the doors of sustenance. Don't be afraid to fail, because every failure is a lesson that brings you closer to success. Failure is part of the process toward success. Keep trying. Change your mindset. Don't work for money, but work to learn and grow. As you continue to learn and grow, money will follow by itself. Be grateful for the little, strive for the better. An attitude of gratitude will open up greater opportunities, while effort will strengthen your foundation to achieve more.